What's your name?
My name is Amelia.
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
Where are you from?
I'm from New York.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Do you have hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy reading.
What time is it?
It's 10 a.m.
Can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
What's your favorite color?
It's green.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love it.
Are you free tomorrow?
No, I'm busy.
How old are you?
I'm 24 years old.
Are you married?
No, I'm not.
Do you have kids?
No, I don't.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I enjoy it.
What's your favorite hobby?
Gardening.
Do you have siblings?
No, I'm an only child.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it.
What's your favorite animal?
Dogs.
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
Are you a student?
No, I'm not.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I enjoy it.
What's your favorite movie?
Inception.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I work out regularly.
Are you tired?
No, I'm fine.
Do you like the rain?
Yes, it's relaxing.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, sometimes.
Are you hungry?
No, I just ate.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love it.
What's your favorite drink?
Coffee.
Do you have a smartphone?
Yes, I do.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can.
Do you like your neighbors?
Yes, they're friendly.
Are you busy today?
Yes, I have a lot to do.
What's your favorite color?
Blue.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I love trying new recipes.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love it.
Can you dance?
A little.
Do you like working out?
Yes, it keeps me fit.
Are you afraid of heights?
No, I'm not.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, I do.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, it's my favorite treat.
Do you drink coffee every day?
Yes, every morning.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook well.
Are you a good listener?
Yes, I try to be.
Do you enjoy nature?
Yes, I love being outdoors.